A 76-year-old woman mixed 5 inexpensive oils in a small glass and applied them under just one eye before going to sleep. The next morning, the difference surprised her. One side appeared smoother and less puffy, while the untreated side still showed noticeable swelling and darkness beneath the eye. Curious about the result, she compared both sides and was amazed by the contrast. This raises an important question. Why do so many people spend hundreds of dollars on eye creams that never seem to deliver the results they promise? Many products are designed to improve the appearance of the skin's surface, yet under-eye puffiness often develops deeper beneath the skin. According to experts, under-eye bags can be influenced by several factors, including weakened tissue around the eye area, fluid retention, and age-related changes in collagen levels. Because these issues occur below the skin's surface, many traditional cosmetic products may have limited visible impact. The beauty industry generates billions of dollars every year from products marketed for under-eye concerns. Yet many people continue searching for alternatives that are more affordable and effective. In this video, we'll look at 5 natural oils that are often discussed for supporting the appearance of the under-eye area. These oils are ranked from helpful to potentially transformative based on their reported benefits. One of them is especially known for helping reduce the appearance of puffiness by supporting healthy fluid movement around the eyes. Stay until the end, because oil number 3 may surprise you. Let's begin with oil number 5, a budget-friendly option that many people use to help the skin around the eyes appear firmer and smoother. Number 5 is chamomile essential oil. If under-eye puffiness and swelling are your main concerns, rather than dark circles alone, this oil deserves attention because it is widely known for supporting the skin's natural response to inflammation associated with fluid buildup beneath the eyes. Research has highlighted compounds found in chamomile oil, particularly bisabolol, for their ability to help calm inflammatory activity in skin tissues. When inflammation increases around the eye area due to factors such as allergies, high sodium intake, inadequate sleep, or hormonal fluctuations, excess fluid can collect under the eyes and create a swollen appearance. Chamomile's active compounds may help support a more balanced response. Another important component found in chamomile is camozoline, the substance responsible for its characteristic blue color. This compound has been studied for its soothing properties and its ability to support healthy inflammatory pathways within the skin. Additional research has suggested that topical chamomile-based formulations may help improve the appearance and texture of the under-eye area over time. Scientists believe this effect may be linked to improved circulation around the eyes, which can assist the body's natural drainage processes and reduce the appearance of retained fluid. However, there is one important step that should never be skipped. Pure chamomile essential oil should not be applied directly beneath the eyes because its concentration may irritate delicate skin. Instead, it should be mixed with a carrier oil. A common dilution method is 2 drops of chamomile essential oil combined with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as sweet almond oil or jojoba oil. Store the mixture in a small dark glass container to help protect it from light exposure. Each evening, apply a very small amount using your ring finger and gently tap along the under-eye area. The tapping motion may help encourage lymphatic movement while allowing the oil blend to absorb gradually. For an added cooling effect, keep the mixture refrigerated. The lower temperature can temporarily constrict blood vessels, which may help reduce the appearance of swelling more quickly after application. With regular nightly use over several weeks, many people notice that morning puffiness becomes less noticeable. A small bottle of chamomile essential oil is generally inexpensive, and because only a tiny amount is required in each application, it can last a long time when properly diluted. But while reducing puffiness is important, it addresses only one part of the problem. The next oil focuses on another key factor that chamomile does not directly target: the loss of firmness and support within the skin that can contribute to the appearance of persistent under-eye bags. Before moving on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next tip. Number 4 is rosehip seed oil. At this stage, the focus moves beyond simply reducing visible puffiness and towards supporting the skin's natural repair process. Rosehip seed oil has gained attention because it contains compounds that may help improve the appearance of aging skin by supporting collagen and elastin, 2 proteins responsible for firmness and elasticity around the eyes. A well-known study examining the effects of rosehip seed oil on aging facial skin reported noticeable improvements after several weeks of consistent use. Participants experienced better skin hydration, enhanced elasticity, and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. Researchers observed particularly encouraging changes around the eye area, where the skin is naturally thinner and often shows signs of aging sooner than other parts of the face. One reason rosehip seed oil is so highly valued is its natural content of vitamin A-related compounds. These substances are known for supporting skin renewal and helping improve the overall appearance of aging skin. Unlike some stronger cosmetic ingredients, rosehip oil is often considered gentler, while still providing beneficial effects. The oil is also rich in essential fatty acids, including linoleic acid and alpha-linolenic acid. These nutrients help support the skin's protective barrier, which plays an important role in maintaining moisture and keeping the under-eye area looking smooth and firm. When the skin barrier becomes weakened, moisture loss can increase, making fine lines, hollows, and under-eye bags appear more noticeable. Additional research has suggested that rosehip seed oil may encourage collagen production, a key factor in maintaining skin structure. Because collagen naturally declines with age, ingredients that support its formation are often included in anti-aging skincare routines. For best results, choose a cold-pressed, unrefined rosehip seed oil with a rich amber or reddish-orange appearance. This coloration is often associated with minimal processing and better preservation of the oil's naturally occurring compounds. Oils that appear very pale or nearly clear may have undergone additional refinement. Apply 2 to 3 drops beneath each eye before bedtime, using your ring finger to gently pat the oil into the skin. Since rosehip oil contains naturally occurring vitamin A compounds, it can be helpful to begin with applications every other night during the first week, and then gradually increase frequency if your skin tolerates it well. It can also be used alongside the chamomile oil blend mentioned earlier, allowing you to address both puffiness and visible signs of skin aging at the same time. Despite its affordability, many people consider rosehip seed oil one of the most effective natural options for improving the appearance of the under-eye area. However, the next oil works in a completely different way and targets a factor that many people rarely associate with under-eye bags. Number 3 is argan oil. While many people know argan oil as a popular ingredient for hair care, its potential benefits for the under-eye area are often overlooked. One of the reasons it attracts attention is its naturally high content of squalene, a substance that plays an important role in maintaining healthy-looking skin. As the years pass, the skin gradually produces less of this compound. Research has suggested that declining squalene levels can contribute to reduced moisture retention, thinner-looking skin, and a more noticeable appearance of shadows and puffiness beneath the eyes. When the skin loses some of its natural ability to stay hydrated, under-eye concerns often become more visible. Argan oil provides a rich source of compounds that help support the skin's moisture barrier. In a clinical study involving postmenopausal women, regular use of argan oil was associated with improvements in skin elasticity and hydration after several weeks of application. These findings were based on instrument-based measurements rather than personal opinions, indicating measurable changes in skin condition. Another reason argan oil is valued in skincare is its antioxidant content. It contains ferulic acid and other naturally occurring compounds that help defend the skin against environmental stressors. Studies have suggested that these antioxidants may help support collagen preservation, which is important because collagen loss is a major contributor to visible aging around the eyes. Daily exposure to sunlight can gradually affect the appearance of the delicate under-eye area, particularly when that region receives little protection. Supporting the skin with moisturizing and antioxidant-rich ingredients may help reduce the visible effects of long-term environmental damage. One advantage of argan oil is its simplicity. High-quality cosmetic-grade argan oil can generally be applied directly to the skin without the need for dilution. Look for pure cold-pressed argan oil from a reputable source. Some versions are lightly deodorized to reduce the natural scent while retaining their beneficial properties. For use, apply 1 or 2 drops beneath each eye after your evening cleansing routine. Gently pat the oil into the skin using your ring finger, allowing it to absorb without excessive rubbing. Some skincare enthusiasts also use an occlusive method after application. This involves temporarily covering the treated area to help minimize evaporation and encourage greater absorption of the product. After several minutes, the covering is removed, and the remaining oil is left to absorb naturally throughout the night. A small bottle of argan oil is often very affordable and can last for an extended period because only a tiny amount is needed with each use. Its ability to support hydration and skin elasticity has made it a popular option for people looking for a simple addition to their under-eye skincare routine. Even so, argan oil is primarily known for supporting moisture balance and skin flexibility. The next oil approaches under-eye concerns from a completely different perspective and offers benefits that many people do not expect. Number 2 is coffee berry oil. This ingredient gains significant attention in skincare research because of its exceptionally high antioxidant content. These antioxidants are often discussed for their potential role in helping protect the skin from oxidative stress, one of the factors associated with visible aging and uneven skin tone around the eyes. Coffee berry oil is derived from the fruit that surrounds the coffee bean rather than the bean itself. For many years, this outer fruit received little attention until researchers began examining its unique composition and discovered a remarkable concentration of beneficial plant compounds. Early studies comparing antioxidant sources found that coffee berry extracts demonstrated extremely high antioxidant activity when measured against several other well-known plant-derived ingredients. This discovery led scientists to investigate whether these compounds could provide visible benefits when applied to the skin. Subsequent clinical evaluations of coffee berry-based skincare formulations reported improvements in the appearance of fine lines, overall skin tone uniformity, and under-eye puffiness after consistent use over a period of several weeks. Researchers attributed many of these effects to the rich concentration of naturally occurring polyphenol present within the fruit. One of the most studied compounds found in coffee berries is chlorogenic acid. This antioxidant has attracted interest because it may help support collagen maintenance while also influencing processes related to skin pigmentation. As a result, coffee berry oil is often discussed as an ingredient that may address both visible discoloration and age-related changes in skin appearance at the same time. Additional laboratory research has suggested that chlorogenic acid may influence enzymes involved in melanin production. Because melanin contributes to skin pigmentation, ingredients that support a balanced production process are frequently included in products designed for uneven skin tone and dark under-eye areas. For best results, select a cold-pressed coffee fruit oil or coffee cherry oil from a reputable supplier. Apply 2 small drops beneath each eye during your evening skincare routine and gently massage the area using your ring finger. Small circular motions for approximately 30 seconds may help distribute the oil evenly while encouraging circulation around the treated area. For those who prefer combining ingredients, coffee berry oil can be paired with rosehip seed oil to create a blend that supports both antioxidant protection and skin conditioning benefits. This combination is often chosen by individuals looking to target multiple under-eye concerns within a single routine. The massage step itself may also provide benefits. Research examining gentle massage around the eye area has suggested that short periods of consistent stimulation can temporarily increase local circulation, potentially improving the delivery of topical ingredients to the skin surface. A small bottle of coffee berry oil is typically affordable and can last for several months because only a minimal amount is required with each application. Its rich antioxidant profile has made it a popular ingredient among people searching for natural skincare alternatives. However, as impressive as coffee berry oil may be, the number 1 oil on this list takes an entirely different approach and is often considered the most surprising of all. Number 1. Sea buckthorn oil. This is the ingredient that has attracted tremendous interest among skincare researchers because of its unique nutrient profile and its potential benefits for the delicate skin around the eyes. Sea buckthorn comes from a bright orange berry that grows in parts of Asia and Europe and has been used in traditional wellness practices for centuries. Modern research has explored its effects on skin appearance, particularly in areas where aging tends to become visible first. Clinical studies examining sea buckthorn oil have reported improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and overall appearance after several weeks of regular use. These findings helped increase scientific interest in the oil as a natural skincare ingredient. One reason sea buckthorn oil stands out is its unusually high concentration of omega-7 fatty acids, especially palmitoleic acid. This fatty acid occurs naturally in human skin and plays an important role in maintaining softness, flexibility, and moisture balance. As skin matures, natural levels gradually decline, which can contribute to dryness, reduced elasticity, and a more pronounced appearance of fine lines and under-eye concerns. Because sea buckthorn oil contains significant amounts of this compound, many skincare enthusiasts use it to help support the skin's natural barrier and maintain a smoother appearance. Researchers have also investigated palmitoleic acid for its potential role in skin renewal and recovery processes. In addition to omega-7, sea buckthorn oil contains a wide variety of naturally occurring nutrients, including vitamins, carotenoids, flavonoids, and antioxidant compounds. These substances help protect the skin from environmental stressors and support overall skin health. When selecting a product, many people prefer cold-pressed sea buckthorn berry oil rather than seed oil because the berry oil contains higher concentrations of several key compounds. Due to its deep orange color, only a very small amount is needed. 1 drop beneath each eye is typically sufficient, and it should be gently patted into the skin until fully absorbed. Sea buckthorn oil can also be combined with rosehip seed oil as part of an evening skincare routine. The combination provides both essential fatty acids and skin conditioning compounds that work together to support hydration, elasticity, and the appearance of smoother skin around the eyes. A small bottle is generally affordable and lasts a long time because so little product is required per application. For many people interested in natural skincare, sea buckthorn oil has become one of the most talked about ingredients for supporting the appearance of the under eye area. So there you have it, 6 different oils, each offering unique properties and benefits. Sweet almond oil is often chosen for uneven-looking pigmentation. Chamomile oil is commonly used for soothing puffiness. Rosehip seed oil is valued for supporting skin renewal. Argan oil helps maintain hydration and elasticity. Coffee berry oil provides a rich source of antioxidants. And sea buckthorn oil stands out for its distinctive combination of omega-7 fatty acids and protective plant compounds. You do not need to use every option on this list. Focus on the 1 or 2 that best match your primary concern and use them consistently as part of your nightly routine. Visible changes in skincare typically require patience, so allow several weeks of regular use before evaluating results. If you found this information useful, be sure to subscribe so you do not miss future videos. Thank you for watching.